All right, you ready? Let's go to the middle. Let's go to the middle. What are you gonna fly the Mirage after this?
Yeah.
All right.
You guys get a buddy box?
Yep.
I wonder how fast I can go.
It goes fast as, you know.
It will let me.
As fast as it'll let you go. All right. If it's too much, then I'll pull back.
Well, I mean going straight. Not like full back elevator. I'm gonna have that.
So I'm gonna let you take
Can I have unpowerful?
What? It doesn't matter. Your switches don't do anything. The only thing that yours is gonna work is the throttle, elevator, ailerons, and rudder. And are you ready? I'm gonna give it to you right after we take off. All right?
After you finish.
Take off, turn, and then give it to you. I'm gonna take off really fast.
Take off flaps.
Take it off.
China cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
You ready? Go to half throttle. Okay, and you're flying.
Touch and go.
Okay. There's no go there. That's just a touch.
What is he trying to do?
He's way below you. Hey, you went full throttle? Wow.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Another full throttle? Wow. Go, Jack, go. Which one do you like better, this or the Avanti?
That'll be hard to do.
They're about the same, huh? I think they fly about the same. Okay.
Let's try it.
1 minute.
Wow, full throttle. Nice. Wow, Jack, you're going full speed. Nice. What do you think compared to your Avanti now? Okay. They're about the same.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Yeah, I'll fly for a little bit more.
5, 4.
There's a bird. Pull up, pull up.
2. Time
I'm taking it.
remaining 2
It's a bird right
seconds.
there.
1. Time expired.
Are you guys landing?
No, we're just getting out of the way of the bird. All right, Jack, back to you. There's a bird right there. He's gone now. All right, we've been flying a lot of full throttle, so after this next pass, I'm going to take it. Wow, you're going fast. All right, I'm taking it.
Timer over 51 seconds.
Time to come in.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Very fast approach.
Uh-oh. Nah, when you do it.
Oh, I gotta come on the other way. Gotta land the other direction.
Why?
Because the wind's more that way.
Well, for flying, it doesn't do
1 minute over.
There we go.
Put something up on
You can, you're good. Good flying.
Flat
That was
out.
better, you flew faster. Good job. Man, this thing's getting a lot of training today. Yeah. It's easy. And you can set it up to work however you want.